I've always had an interest in forensics. I think it's come off the telly, you see the programmes and you get really excited. I think I was nominated because when I started college, I was a bit of a lost soul. I had 3 GCSEs. I was ill for 2 years, I was off school, I was expected to get really high grades. I didn't because I didn't even sit the exams for my GCSEs. The tutors at Bridgend College, I've never heard or come across such passionate people. They're there for every single student, so I had so many issues coming onto this course. I was a lot more hard work than, say, your average student. But they all put 110% into me.
Serena is one of those students that comes along every 10 or 15 years. She's absolutely inspirational. Came into college, we gave her the chance to come on the course and she seized it with both hands and literally excelled at everything. She was just inspirational and continues to be as she continues to support the college to this day.